Have you ever found an old, blurry video or a low-resolution photo and wished you could magically bring it back to life in crystal clear quality? Today, we're looking at AVCLabs AI to see if it's the ultimate video and photo enhancer you should be using. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been searching for a way to upscale your videos to HD, 4K, or even 8K, you've probably run into AVCLabs. It's an all-in-one AI editing solution available for both desktop and online use, designed to handle the heavy lifting of video and photo restoration. So what makes it stand out? First up is the AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Using deep learning neural networks, this tool doesn't just stretch your video to fit a bigger screen. It actually works to reduce blur, restore lost facial details, stabilize shaky footage, and upscale low-res content. Whether you have old family home videos or low-quality phone footage, it aims to make them look sharper and more detailed. Then there's the AVCLabs Video Blur AI. If you're a content creator, you know how tedious it is to manually track and blur faces, backgrounds, or license plates. AVCLabs claims their AI-powered tool can detect and blur these elements automatically, reducing your manual editing work by up to 99%. It also includes tools to help remove unwanted watermarks, logos, and text. And if you work with still images, they offer Photo Enhancer and Photo Pro AI tools to upscale images to 4K, colorize black and white photos, and erase unwanted objects. They've also recently launched AVCLabs MCP, an AI agent tool designed to enhance videos and segment images. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, having video upscaling, smart blurring, and photo restoration all under one brand is incredibly convenient. The automated tracking features are massive time savers. However, because we want to give you an honest review, we have to point out that we currently have limited third-party user review data to pull from. This means we can't fully verify how it performs across every type of computer hardware, as heavy AI processing like 8K upscaling typically requires a pretty powerful system. Our final verdict: AVCLabs offers a highly advanced, feature-rich toolkit that looks incredibly promising for creators, editors, and anyone looking to preserve old memories. Because AI performance can vary depending on your computer specs, we highly recommend trying it out for yourself. AVCLabs offers a free trial download for both Windows and Mac, so you can test your own footage before committing. Head over to their website at avclabs.com to try it out. Have you used AVCLabs before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.